In the previous lesson, we saw how to use the time function in our code, but we got the result in a long integer format. In this lesson, we're going to discuss time conversion functions. Let's take a look at the syntax. This syntax uses the time pointed by timer to fill a tm structure with the values that represent the corresponding local time. Then the timer is a pointer to a time t value representing a calendar time. And finally, it returns a pointer to a tm structure with the time information filled in. This structure is statically allocated and shared by the functions gmTime and localtime. Each time either one of these functions is called, the contents of the structure is overwritten. To learn more about localtime function, take a look at this example. In this sample code, we declare raw time reference for time_t structure. In the next line, we declare timeinfo structure pointer to the tm structure. Following that, we call the time function by passing the address of raw time. Then we invoke the localtime function by passing the address of raw time. The return value of the localtime function will be assigned to the timeinfo structure pointer. And finally, the asctime function takes the timeinfo parameter and converts to the local time. Now let's execute the code. To do that, compile the code by pressing Alt F9. When it's done, click on OK. Press Ctrl F9 to run the code, and here's the result. Now you should feel accomplished because you understand the time conversion function.